Air Force fighter planes dropped laser-guided bombs at a Jaish-e-Mohammed terror camp across the line of control in Balakot, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa early on Tuesday morning. The IAF used Mirage 2000 jets with laser-guided 1,000-pound bombs, causing an estimated casualty of 200 to 300. The sources said the laser-guided bombs are built with Israeli technology and were first used in Kargil. The airstrike happened around 3:30 a.m. According to top government sources, the Balakot camp is spread around 6 to 7 acres and is the biggest Jaish-e-Mohammed camp in Pakistan. In his first public speech, within hours of Air Force carrying out a massive assault destroying a camp at Balakot in Pakistan, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday vowed that his government will not let Mother India bow her head.
आज चूरू की धरती से मैं देशवासियों को विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि देश सुरक्षित हाथों में है।
Pakistan Army violated ceasefire for the fourth consecutive day on Tuesday, shelling forward posts along the LOC in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri as well as Akhnur, Naushera and Mendar sectors, prompting a retaliation from the Indian forces. Heavy shelling is currently ongoing in the areas. The pre-dawn strike by the Indian Air Force on the Jaish-e-Mohammed camp inside Pakistan on Tuesday sparked jubilation in Jammu as people hailed the armed forces for the action. Youths also came out on the streets to celebrate the airstrike across the border in Kathua, Samba, Poonch, Rajouri and Udhampur. Residents in the quake-prone Balakot town in Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province on Tuesday said they were woken by loud explosions and thought a fresh tremor must have hit the region when Indian Air Force jets pounded a large terror training camp. Residents in the mountainous area town said they were woken by loud explosions. Residents in several towns near Balakot reported hearing explosions early on Tuesday. A high-tech computerized prepaid system integrated with CCTV cameras and video conferencing facilities for hiring ponies, pittus and palkis was launched from Katra today for the facilitation of pilgrims to the holy cave shrine of Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Ji. This facility will be available to the pilgrims round the clock. Batting for peace amid rising tension between India and Pakistan following Balakot airstrike by Indian Air Force jets, two former chief ministers of Jammu and Kashmir, Umar Abdullah and Mehbooba Mufti on Tuesday said war is never an ideal option to resolve dispute. The National Investigation Agency on Tuesday carried out searches on separatists in the Kashmir Valley, including Mirwaiz Umar Farooq in a terror funding case. Among those whose houses were searched are Naeem Gilani, son of hardline Hurriyat leader Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani, JKLF leader Yasin Malik, Shabir Shah, Ashraf Sehrai and Zafar Butt. Chief Secretary BVR Subramaniam today launched online portal of forest clearances here, which will enable online submission and monitoring of forest clearance proposals. With the launch of the facility, concerned departments will now be able to submit online indent for forest clearance and track the status for their proposals on a real-time basis. The facility has been made very user-friendly and shall provide enabling features for successful uploading of documents along with submission of indents. The central government on Tuesday briefed the opposition parties over the pre-dawn strike by the Indian Air Force on terror camps deep across the line of control. Emerging from the meeting, Congress leader Ghulam Nabi Azad said the opposition parties extended full support to the government and security forces in the fight against terror.